Good morning, my friends. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, August 10th, and we are back for a Monday day in the life vlog with me. Hello, if you're new, I'm Brianna, the diva behind Diva and the Divine, and today you and I are gonna hang out and have a great time. As you can see, I'm already in my gym clothes. What time is it even? It is 8:40, so I feel like I'm running a little bit behind, but I'm not really. I got 45 minutes of reading in today, and you guys, the reading is inspiring literally my entire day of eating. I am rereading Body Love by Kelly LeVeque. This is like my third time through the book, but it's one of those books that has so much information that I really truly love and value in terms of nutrition and how to fuel your body well, that I keep rereading it to keep the information fresh. I'm that kind of person. So I'm currently rereading Body Love, and then I'll be rereading her second book, Body Love, every day, and incorporating more Fab Four type foods into my life. For those of you that don't know who Kelly LeVeque is, or what Body Love is, or what the Fab Four is, first of all, I highly recommend you pick up the book. I will leave it linked down below for you. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Amazing information in that book. But she focuses on the kind of nutrition fueled by the Fab Four. Fat, fat, fiber, protein, and greens. And I am going to be conducting myself as such to the best of my ability today. I am going to start my day, and hopefully every day this week, and presumably, if I'm disciplined enough, every day in the foreseeable future, with a Fab Four smoothie. I realized as I was cleaning stuff out over the weekend, I went through and like cleaned out my teas, took inventory of a lot of the stuff in the kitchen, a lot of the stuff in the hall closet, in my beauty drawers, and I'm kind of doing a summertime purge type thing. And I realized just how much protein powder I have lying around. And one of the only ways I consume protein powder is in a Fab Four smoothie. So I'm looking at like literally canisters and canisters, like 5 or 6 1-pound, 2-pound bags and boxes of protein powders. And I was like, I need to use these. There's one that I'm going to use today that expired like back, or it was Best Buy a couple months ago. So I was like, I think we're going to need to do some Fab Four smoothieing in this life, and that is exactly what I plan on doing. And then going forward today, I actually pre-planned my entire day. I know what I'm having for lunch, I know what I'm having for dinner, I know what I'm having as a Fab Four fueled snack. So I'm excited to share that with you today. I also, according to my tracker, still have 183 calories out of 1,700 still available for me to mess around with should it be necessary. I'm thinking there might be an enlightened ice cream bar at the end of the day. Anyway, today is housewifing day. I have a new workout thing that I'm going to show you, and we're just gonna have a great day together. So welcome to my vlog. Have you guys met my incredibly awesome water bottle? I just got this for like $20 on Amazon. You guys know that I'm trying to drink a gallon of water a day, have been for a very long time. This is a gallon of water. I fill it up every single morning, first thing, and this is how I track my water now. Instead of a bunch of different 32-ounce water bottles, I have just this one guy right here. And I love it so far. I've been using it for about a week, and it's fantastic. So I'll have that link down below for you. Like I said, it's on Amazon. The way I use it is I usually drink straight out of there, but if I want to add water to my favorite cup, I just pour it out, keep the measurements going. Oh yes, hydration. Here we go, Monday. The lighting in my kitchen is so bad. It's so bad. Oh. Most important meal of the day right here. Coffee, am I right? Wanted to show you that I'm starting with kale, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is riced cauliflower. I'm not putting any fruit in this one because I'm going to have a side of fruit with the smoothie, like whole fruit. So I'm not going to lie to you, the smoothie's not going to taste great, but it's going to be very, very effective in keeping me full and keeping me focused and keeping my blood sugar level and all that good stuff. So, vegetable-based smoothie. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. She's not overwhelmingly delicious, but she's incredibly effective. So, just for our information, it is 9 o'clock in the morning now when I'm going to start drinking this. We're going to see how long this holds me over. The other stuff that is in here, we have Acacia Fiber. They finally restocked this on Amazon, which I'm so excited because it was out for a little while, and I was like, oh no, how am I going to get more Acacia Fiber? Because I love this Acacia Fiber. It is 25 calories a scoop and straight fiber, 6 grams of fiber. I put in a little bit of creatine. This is not the container it came in. I moved the label and replaced the label on the canister and used this canister. I added some Vital Proteins collagen peptides, 1 scoop, not 2. I used unsweetened almond milk from Target. I have almond butter in there because I'm in the mood of using up what I have. That is one of my goals for the month. I am also using this Amazing Grass adaptogens powder. I threw that in there as well. And just for good measure, I threw in just a little bit of chia seeds. I didn't even measure. I just took a spoon and went boop. So it's probably maybe 2 teaspoons of seeds. Oh, and then this. This is the Beachbody Performance. It's recovery, even though I haven't worked out yet. But that's okay. Plant-based. I do not actually like this protein powder. It came with the package that I purchased a year ago now when I first got Beachbody On Demand, and I'm using it up because it's good for you. Like 150 calories, 20 grams of protein, 2.5 fat, 3 grams of fiber, like in a muscle recovery blend, which is great. I just don't think it tastes good. I do not like plant-based proteins at all. Plant-based protein powders and I do not get along. So that's the smoothie, and I'm going to have a side of fruit and go about my day. And there we go. Here's my bowl of fruit that's going to go alongside my smoothie. I love berries. I'm so very excited about this. All right, 9 o'clock. Let's see how long this meal keeps me full. All right, obviously now I am downstairs. It is much later. It is 11:11 on the nose. It took me about an hour to drink my smoothie, surprisingly, and I took it upstairs and ended up breaking my own rule. But when it's smoothie, does it really count as the rule? And I'm not supposed to have food in my office, but I did not upload, or I did not edit the video that was supposed to go live today. So the first thing I wanted to do while I was waiting, you know, drinking my smoothie, waiting for breakfast to settle and all that, was to get that done. That was one of my top 3 for today. I'm also using, in terms of planning, we're throwing a little bit of everything in this vlog, my friends. In terms of the planning side of my life, this week I want to implement today's top 3. And that means I have 3 things every single day that are non-negotiable, must get done. Working out cannot be one of them. Working out is a given no matter what. But today, one of those top 3 items was get this video done. So I wanted to do that first thing while I was having my breakfast. And it turns out it took me an hour to eat that little bit of fruit and to drink my smoothie. So I finished that at like 10, and of course it's 11 now, and I feel no need for food whatsoever. Like, I almost feel, and I don't know what this is about, and it's not my pre-workout because I felt this before, but nauseous is not the right word, but like, I kind of felt a little bit of like, I was like buzzing, like energetic buzzing type of thing. I don't know. That's what I said the last time I had like an intense pre-workout. I was like, I feel like my limbs are buzzing, but like, I felt like this weird slow roll of energy, not like pow, it hits you like caffeine, but just like a power up. Like I just ate one of the Mario mushrooms and I grew, you know? And I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I don't know if it's the protein powder acting a little funky with me, but I'm gonna go with it. I feel a little bit funky, but also with all of the higher carb stuff that I have been having. I haven't been doing crazy high carbs though. I don't understand. My macros have been pretty balanced, but today I'm so focused on like Fab4 eating almost exclusively. I'm gonna have a little bit of not Fab4 for dinner, but a lot of it's still gonna be protein and vegetables and whatnot. By the way, I'm making that really awesome meatloaf for dinner again, per my husband's request. So the recipe today is gonna be nothing new to you guys. But I don't know, I'm feeling kind of funky, but then I also, after I was done with breakfast, I came downstairs and took a pre-workout, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm hoping that a workout is going to kind of help me shake whatever the funk is, but the bottom line is I ain't hungry. Not at all. So let me show you what I have access to, what is blinking and doing all of its thing behind me. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Les Mills app. Les Mills On Demand. As you might notice, do you see what that first thing is there? Body Pump. You guys have heard me talk about Body Pump for ages and ages and ages and ages. Body Pump is my first weight training true love. It is my everything. It is what I get a membership to the Y for. And now I will be able to do it at home once my barbell comes. I do have, can you see there, the lighting is not adjusted, but I have 3 or 2 of each plate here. My plates for my barbell showed up yesterday. My barbell itself has not come, but once the bar comes, I will be able to do Body Pump again, and I am so excited. But it has a lot of other things on here too. body combat, which is what I'm gonna do today. And the last time I did body combat, my core was ripped up in the best sense possible. My friend who lives here in Minnesota, who is also a combat instructor and a body pump instructor, she said that one round of body combat can be equivalent to 1,700 crunches in a workout, which explains why my core got lit up like it did. So today, I'm gonna be doing a body combat workout. It also has grit. It also has flow. CX Works is something else that I have experienced before. It is an exclusively core workout, which is amazing. Sprint, the trip, which is indoor cycling apparently. More indoor cycling. Body attack is the other thing that I have done. So do you guys remember when I did Saturday mornings at the Y back in Illinois? I would go to a body pump class and then I would go to body attack. And then towards the end of the time I was there, my body attack and body pump instructor also got certified in CX. So Saturday morning would actually be an hour of body pump, or a 45-minute body pump, half an hour of CX, and then a body attack class. So basically, this program is going to allow me to spend some time back at my roots of Les Mills stuff. But instead of group training, I will be at home. I'll be at home, and that's fine. Holy cow. That was, I turned off the thing, like 55 minutes of intense, like, can you see? I'm sweaty, tired, and burned 500 calories. My move goal for calories on my Apple Watch, which I increased dramatically, is 750. And I burned 500 of them in that 55 minutes. Les Mills is no joke. All right, so it is almost 2 o'clock. Yes, that is how long that smoothie lasted me, from 9 a.m. until 2, which is amazing. And now this hot mess of a contraption is completely made up. I have no idea if it's going to be any good, but we're going with what I have in the house, and that is cabbage, raw cabbage that I'm treating as lettuce. I don't think it'll be any different. No, it's not any different. And then I put some smoked salmon, 3 ounces of smoked salmon, and then a guacamole cup. So it's kind of like my avocado toast, but instead of bread, I'm using cabbage. Weird, I know, but it's fat, it's protein, it's vegetables, which is going to give me my fiber and my greens. So I'm classifying it as Fab 4. Heck yes. All right, part of my dessert slash whatever is left is going to be the thing that gets me to dinner are my overnight oats. These are pumpkin spice overnight oats, recipe coming in the future, 30 grams of protein. Very, very excited about these. But yeah, that's what's happening. I'll put the stats in the sidebar here, but what's going to happen is I'm going to eat some now because I'm feeling the need for a little something, something sweet, and then I will save the rest, and that will be my afternoon snack. All right, guys, here is my dinner. My overnight oats, which I ended up eating the entire thing earlier, all in one sitting. So I had my salmon salad thing and my overnight oats. I managed to stay satisfied until now. It is 6:45. Dinner's out of the oven. This is the Skinny-ish dish meatloaf. So stinking good. Roasted Little Potato Company potatoes and broccoli. The total for all of this is 340 calories. Not too bad, right? All right, my friends, is it totally lame or completely admirable that it is 8:30 and my face is washed? I'm about to go brush my teeth. My skincare is on. I'm in pajamas and I have like an hour and a half before bed and I'm completely ready for bed. It is a good day. Speaking of a good day, I finished off after my dinner by having an Eat Me Guilt-Free brownie, which was the perfect way to end the day, and it clocked me in at 1750 for calories with a goal of 1700. Not bad at all. 140 grams of protein. Boom! Nailed it. I have the rest of my macros here in case you're curious. 71 grams of fat, 143 grams of protein, carbohydrates, and 140.5 grams of protein. That day, I feel very, very good about. I'm very satisfied. I did not have snacks at all today. I had 3 separate periods of eating, and that was it. 3 meals, and I was done. And I feel really good. Really good. You know, I had someone comment on my other video that I have since deleted. Random person who apparently wanted to push his or her, I'm assuming his, but I could be wrong, nutritional view, and he was convinced I was dead wrong and was always going to be struggling and whatever because I'm eating more than 50 carbohydrates in a day. I'm sorry. What? Like, this person, I came back at him and I was like, you can do you, let me do me. And he's like, well, what? Do you think our bodies are all that different? Do you not have bones and muscles? And I'm like, you want to talk to me about a different body? But he was like, no, this is the last time I'm responding. So I was like, that's fine. I'm just going to delete you because you're a pain in my neck. Ladies and gentlemen, common YouTube comment section etiquette is you're welcome to have a discussion, but don't barge into a channel that you clearly don't watch just to force your opinion on somebody. That seems kind of dumb, don't you think? It made me chuckle, and I thought of this person today too because I was like, oh, look at that 140 grams of carbohydrates and equally as many grams of protein. Telling me I'm doing it wrong. I'm feeling really, really good about it, actually, and it was mostly Fab4 compliant, which made me feel even better. A little bit heavy on the carbs for Fab4 compliant, but heavy on the fat, heavy on the protein, 3 meals a day. I didn't really get like ravenously hungry or anything like that. I felt really good, really good. So I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you for spending the day with me today. I know it wasn't anything interesting. I didn't show you anything outside of my food, but it was a good day. The workout killed me. Whew. My body is wiped and I'm kind of a little fearful for what tomorrow's gonna bring. We'll see. I'll keep you posted on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram and I'll let you know how the effects of the workout are affecting me, because that might determine what I end up doing for my workout tomorrow. But it was a good day. I ate well, I worked out hard, and I feel really good about it. So thank you guys for joining me today. If you want to join the Diva and the Divine community, I'd love to have you. Just click that little red subscribe button. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.